In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get launcher ammo in Arc Raiders. If you've been running out of rockets at the worst possible time, this guide will walk you through the 3 most reliable ways to restock, along with practical tips to make each method smooth and efficient. Let's start with crafting, because it's often the most cost-effective. Head to the workshop and interact with the workbench. In the ammunition section, you'll see the option for launcher ammo. Crafting a batch gives you 6 rounds, and the recipe calls for 1 arc motion core and 2 crude explosives. Before you commit, double-check your resources so you don't waste a trip, and make a habit of collecting these materials whenever you're out playing. If you're planning a long session with heavy launcher use, craft multiple batches back-to-back to avoid returning mid-mission. Also, keep an eye on your carry capacity. It's easy to overload when you're stockpiling. Next, you can buy launcher ammo directly from the gun shop. Go to the traders area and step into the gun shop vendor. There, 6 rounds of launcher ammo cost 4,500 coins. This is the fastest route if you're low on crafting materials or heading into a tough fight and need a guaranteed supply right away. If you're watching your budget, consider buying a single batch to top off and save crafting for bigger replenishments. Selling extra loot before you shop can offset the cost and keeps your coin flow healthy. Finally, you can earn ammo the old-fashioned way by heading topside and looting. As you explore and clear encounters, check containers, lockers, enemy drops, and supply caches. This method is perfect if you enjoy the loop of fighting and scavenging, and it often pairs well with material farming for crafting later. Go in prepared. Bring a reliable primary weapon so you're not forced to spend your last rockets while searching for more. And plan a route that takes you through areas with frequent loot spawns. If your inventory fills up, make quick trips back to unload and return, so you don't leave anything valuable behind. To recap, craft at the workbench with 1 arc motion core and 2 crude explosives for 6 rounds. Buy a 6-pack from the gun shop for 4,500 coins if you need ammo instantly, and loot topside to build your stock while you play. Mix these approaches based on your resources, time, and playstyle, and you'll never be caught empty when it matters.